guys, my name is Kim of Love at Home, and today is a clean with me video after the days that I don't feel like being bothered. So I want this to be motivating for you to get back on your feet and start cleaning.
I know there are certain times when we clean the house and still feel unsatisfied with ourselves because we keep on thinking that we are more socially acceptable if our house is clean in a certain way. We have to admit that there are situations in life that hinder us from doing certain chores for the day, week, or even month. We just have to accept and acknowledge our feelings and say that it is okay to take a minute and a step back. It may be overwhelming to try to get back on your feet, but it's something we must do for ourselves and the people we love. We must continue living and move forward. We must not pressure ourselves by trying to portray something we are not. We strive to live in a perfectly clean home because of the fear of judgment, fear of exposure, and fear of not being good enough. Our lack of perfection makes us human, and that is beautiful.
So I'm gonna give it to you. Is it in the air tonight? Feel it if it's time to try. I know you've been waiting, baby. So I'm gonna give it to you. And I bite, and I bite, and I bite. Just even
Most of the time, we strive to have a tidy house because we crave for the compliments of people who are not even living with us. Our purpose should always center on our family. Our purpose should be because we want to live in a good environment that turns a house into a home. A home with love.
If you reached this part of the video and would like to see more content on cleaning, home, and lifestyle, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button down below to remind you that I upload every Thursday. See you again. Bye. This is Kim and this is... Then make sure to like this bell so you'll be reminded...